In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your mouse into a laser pointer in PowerPoint step by step. This is a super useful trick if you want to highlight important points during a presentation, guide your audience's attention, and make your slideshow look more polished and professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint file and start the slideshow. You can do this by pressing the slideshow button or using your usual presentation shortcut. Once the presentation is running, you are ready to access the built-in pointer tools. Now here's the key step. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click the right mouse button. When you do this during the slideshow, a small menu will appear on the screen. This menu gives you access to different presentation pointer options that PowerPoint includes for live presentations. From that menu, look for pointer options. Move your cursor over it and you'll see a list of choices appear. This is where you can switch from the normal pointer to a more visible presentation tool. Select laser pointer from the options. Once you click it, your mouse cursor will change into a laser pointer that you can use directly on the slide. Now you can move your mouse around and point to the exact area you want your audience to focus on. As you move the pointer, it will appear like a bright laser dot on the screen, which makes it much easier to emphasize charts, text, diagrams, or key talking points. This is especially helpful when you're presenting remotely or speaking to a larger group and want to keep everyone focused. You can keep using the laser pointer for as long as you need during the presentation. If you ever want to return to the normal pointer, you can simply open the same menu again and switch back to a different pointer mode. It's a quick and easy feature, but it can make a big difference in how confident and clear your presentation feels. So just to recap, start the PowerPoint slideshow, hold Ctrl and click the right mouse button, open pointer options, select the laser pointer and then use it during your presentation to highlight exactly what matters. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.